Serang-salo Charilam amchayo kuni botolni bising tungphlamani patimong patithani kebengnai botolni tangphangrokni sak dera mao yakshi botolni khoroksani langma chokahani yakchi botolni bwkhakti semanka. Patimungo sak dera jagrokno kaham sakhamni sebrunani bagai jibi sakhamnogo tubujakha. Yakshi botolni tangphang rokni sak dera jagrokno jibi sakhamnogo nainani thangka Montri Sushanta Choudhury. Tei patimungno selamung phunugibo bini koklam narkha. Kebengnai bodolni ongoi phano hasteni naikol phangni barjabai gurungjak ongmabai Montri Sushanta Choudhury kebengnai bodolni tangphang rokbo khoroksa hasteni bwsaro hnei bini khairokma phunuka. Bodolni tangphang rokni sak deramani koktuma manei doro jibi sakhamnogo thangi sokoika hasteni kusa mantri okra manik sarkar tei khoroksa tangphang shohid miyani langma arimabai bini kha khamabo phunuka.
Heinous attack on the peaceful movement of Bharatiya Janata Party. Our people were just moving towards block area, wherein the CPM people were ambushing from earlier, and they just suddenly resorted to attack on our peaceful movement. So it amply signifies the fact that keeping in view the ensuing assembly election and as well as anticipating a big defeat in the coming elections, they have resorted to these heinous crimes. Because they don't believe in democracy, time and again it is proved. And today's incident also again opened the eyes of all peace-loving people in the state that CPIM, they may go to any mischievous activities to win the election, which is next to impossible so far 2023 is concerned. So we have seen the former Chief Minister and leader of the opposition has visited the hospital and some other leaders. And now all cock and bull stories will be created again to malign the ruling party. But we will democratically face it. We solicit help from the peace-loving people of our state. And in the coming times, the peace-loving people of the state as well as our party will combat this heinous crime, heinous mischievous activities in a democratic manner.
The party in power has been repeatedly saying that political violence is inherited from the 30 years. But at the same time, this is also a concern. If life was lost today, and the way the things are going on, it's also a concern. How peaceful the election will be, and ultimately the responsibility will be those who are in the ruling party.
See, so far the loss of life is concerned. It's very much sad. We don't know exactly what happened, but we have to go to the root and see whether our party or our cadres are involved into it or the ruling party. They have faced this conspiracy. But we must just put up in record that during left regime of 25 years, ruling cabinet minister was killed. The then SDM of Shadar, Sukram Dev Burma, was murdered inside his office premises. MLA Porimal Shaho was murdered. MLA Madhusudan Shaho was murdered. A plethora of incidents we can present before the opposition parties and before the people of Tripura. It is very much well known or established fact before the people of the state. So we need not add anything further to that. We believe in democracy. We believe in the people, upon the people of Tripura. They have made us victorious in 2018 election, defeating this anti-people, anti-democratic party in 2018 election, and anticipating a big defeat in the coming election, wherein all the democratic institutions came to a complete standstill during their regime. Now democracy has been restored in those institutions by our party, by our government, under the dynamic stewardship of our present Chief Minister and Honorable Narendra Modi ji at the center, being the Prime Minister. So people know what is what, and the recent development going on everywhere in the state of Tripura to all the nooks and corners of the state, and very much hopeful the people of Tripura will condemn this attack, barbaric attack on our peaceful agitation, and in the coming time they will be given a big lesson.
Are you hinting towards this may be a conspiracy? What do you mean? That
is undoubtedly a conspiracy, because those people are ambushing from earlier, and they were attacking or resorting attack to our this democratic movement. It is definitely a conspiracy.
And about the murder, I am telling you.
Murder, we have to go to the root of it. We have to see.
You're hinting that
if any government, the then CPIM government, you may recall, in 1998, the then cabinet minister was murdered. So it's a deep-rooted conspiracy. Ruling MLA being murdered, such deep-rooted conspiracy. What is, if not what? So definitely, if a minister can be murdered, if a Sodar SDM can be murdered, if a standing MLA can be murdered, in killing or murdering a mere karyakarta or a cadre is not at all big deal to them. So it's a very simple thing, simple arithmetic behind this. It's deep-rooted conspiracy being hedged today by the opposition party, and they don't believe in democracy. They don't have faith upon the people of our state. So anticipating, again I am repeating, they are going to get a big jolt in 2023 election. People of Tripura have time and again rejected them in different elections which have taken place during this discourse of time in 4 and 5 years. And again in 23 election, they are going to get a big job. So anticipating that, they have trying to vitiate the atmosphere and misguide the people of our state as a whole. But people of Tripura will give them a befitting lesson.